Data science and programming languages.
Data science combines statistics, computer science, and domain knowledge to extract meaningful insights from data. Choosing the right programming language is crucial for your success in this field. Two of the most popular languages for data science are Python and R. Let's explore their strengths, weaknesses, and what makes each unique for aspiring data scientists.
Python. Versatile and user-friendly.
The Python is known for its simple syntax and readability, making it welcoming for beginners. Its vast ecosystem, including libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and scikit-learn, supports data analysis, machine learning, and visualization. Python's versatility allows integration with web applications and other technologies, making it a go-to choice in many industries, especially for projects that involve deep learning or production environments.
R. Specialized for statistical analysis.
The previous user was designed with statistical analysis and data visualization in mind. It offers powerful tools for complex data tasks, interactive graphics, and advanced statistical modeling. R is especially popular in academia and among statisticians, thanks to its extensive package ecosystem tailored for research and analysis.
Pros and cons. Python versus R.
Python is praised for its flexibility, community support, and ease of learning, but may lag behind R in some specialized statistical abilities. R shines in pure statistical analysis and graphics, yet can be less practical for general-purpose programming or integration with large software systems. Your choice may depend on your project's needs and your preferred learning style.
Which should you learn?
For most beginners and those interested in a broad range of data science tasks, Python is the top recommendation. If your focus is advanced statistical analysis or academic research, R might be a better fit. Both languages have strong communities and resources, making them valuable skills to add to your data science toolkit.